Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fisner. We've got quite interesting case, okay? So before we could see here iPhone 14 fixed of a liquid damage. We've got 1746 right now, 1734.5 was when it was turned on. We need to wait about 4 to 6 minutes. So let's say 50, 51, something like that. And we will see if the phone will restart, boot loop or not. Now what it is that the phone had a liquid damage. We already replaced the charging flex in it. We replaced the coil, the charge wireless coil with it. And you can see that it's booking 277, okay? It's really cracked, so yeah, we've replaced that one as well. So I'm in the middle of working on this Xbox here, restarting, Xbox restarting. And yeah, so that's the whole shebang. The back came in this box, nice box. But what is happening is that the new coil that came, it came from Amazon. I paid about £30 for the coil. It's not original one. I couldn't get anything with like quick delivery, which would be original Apple. So I did go for the aftermarket. Now what it is that the phone just one time was working fine for like half an hour about. So my technician started and he glued everything back. And then he tested and it started doing it again. So then when we check the kernel panic logs, we've noticed that there is an issue, different one. So the error log was not pointing to the same problem it was, yes. So this time it was pointing to the wireless charge. And after the discussion with the customer, I've ordered that part, yes. So when we replaced that part, when it came, turns out the same problem. So now there are two things, okay? Either the part came faulty or the chip which is on it doesn't communicate with the motherboard, or it's a dummy chip. Yes, we had it in the past, but it's, you know, usually when you buy on Amazon, you know, you check the reviews from people, and then you just see if that's a scammer or they've got some dodgy products and so on, you know. So I couldn't see anything, so I just risked it. I just bought it. An alternative was for less than £100 on sites like iParts4U, because I've got trade account, to buy whole back with the charge flex. Yes, wireless charge flex. That's not a cheap option for the customer. So I've decided to literally take a risk, you know, and just describe everything to the customer. Well, that's not the risk, it's just being transparent with the customer, yes. And I wrote, and customer came back to me, it's still working, so about 4 minutes now. You can disconnect a faulty wireless charging coil and keep using your iPhone 16, but that's not 16 Pro Max. The phone will run normally, but wireless charging and MagSafe features will stop working until you replace the part. You can still charge the phone using a standard USB-C cable. So, we've got 5 minutes here, and my question is, if there is an IC, and then IC is not communicating with the motherboard, this should still break. This should still restart. Okay? That's my way of understanding it. And I've tested in the past and it was the case. Like literally that didn't change anything for the phone. Yes? So we've got original back, and if that will be the fix, yes, I can ask the customer, because I replied to the customer that we can definitely try. Yes? But after the replacing charging flex, it increased for 1 or 2 minutes. So that's what, you know, The kernel panic logs, if there is like a proximity sensor or something, it's you. Oh, now you've got one. So in this very minute, it should restart. Yes, and if it won't restart, that's a new to me. You know, that's a new thing to me. But then when you install the wireless charge, and if it will die, then that will be typical behavior. Yes, and if it will work without the wireless charge, that will prove us that what customer wrote, you know, is fine. So I can then let the customer know, come and collect the iPhone. Yes, well, I need to still glue it, but you know what I mean. So yes, in this very minute, if it won't break, it won't break. Customer will be happier because he can collect the phone today, and we're off hours already. Yes, it's 17:51 on the time of recording, and we finished at 2, and I'm taking Monday through to Thursday to catch up with backlog of repairs. So only what my technician can do, like some cleaning of the game console, HDMI port, and so on. 52, and it's still live. So we'll wait for like 2 extra minutes just on top of that. The video is 6 minutes, as you know. Oh no, restarting still. You see? So that's what I meant. I don't want to show you the customer's data, but it is restarting, yes. So as I said, I had it in the past, and that's why I know it. I just know it. So 16 Pro Max is nothing different of the models which are, you know, just on the market, the older ones, yes. Okay, so you see, and it's back. So it took it about those 6 minutes, yes, 6-7 minutes, and that's unfortunately not the case. Guys, that's all I wanted to show you, and those people who would have this problem, that you know what to expect. Now, my plan, yes, my strategy for this phone, that depends on the customer, okay? We've got about, you know, like a high percent, I would say all the total 100 phones or tablets or game consoles, you know, if there is a liquid damage, usually if the processor, something like severe, is not damaged, then we can recover it. It's high percentage, yes. Whereas when there is severe damage, you can't do anything, yes. So depending on the damages, but most of the time it's a light, mild damage, yes. And we've got like components. Even we had Xbox Ally X here just now. And the Ally X, you know, we had spares for it. My technician buys spares, and he buys to fix, yes. So then he had chips. He couldn't buy the chip even from China, but he was able to help the customer, yes, which is dear device. I'm talking like £800-900 for that device, and we are able to recover them. It might take longer, more attempts like here, yes, but you've got no influence on that. It's not your fault that there is more damage. Yes, you replace one, then you can check kernel panic logs here and see another fault. You can then check another kernel panic logs if happen again after you replace that part. But you don't have listed all the, you know, items. At least I don't know how to read those. I never read. I just read one after another. And I've used those bots, and those bots, you know, like AI, depending how somebody call what, those are not helpful. They can only read me logs. That's all they can do. They cannot do anything. So I don't have better solution. If somebody has better solution, please write it down, because I would like to help my customers better and quicker. Yes, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for everything. If you did likes to you as well. Down in the comments below you will find our music, which I've created, about 10 songs. Yes, thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.